Hi, today I'm making a breakfast casserole. This is a beautiful breakfast treat. If you like sausage and eggs and veggies, this is perfect for you. So we're going to begin with, I've taken about 4 links and just kind of ground them up, and I'm sauteing them over heat until they're completely done. And then I'm going to sit those aside. I then take my 4 eggs and I'm using an eighth of a cup of red pepper and green bell pepper, as well as about a half a cup of finely diced onion. Now, the reason to dice all of these ingredients very fine is because we're not sauteing them prior to adding them to the egg mixture. I had some leftover cheese, different kinds of cheese from a cheese plate. So I just chopped that up and set it aside because it's a great use of leftover cheese. So next, I'm going to, add my milk, which is a half a cup of milk, into the eggs. I'm adding that cheese that I just cut up very fine. I've added my red pepper, green bell pepper, and my white onion. And next, I'm going to just add in the cooled sausage back into the egg mixture. I'm going to spray my casserole dish with Pam and set that aside while I mix all of my ingredients really well. Okay, so I'm just mixing everything up to make sure everything's, combined. And then I'm going to transfer the egg mixture into my greased casserole dish. Okay, and so at this point, I'm going to bake it at 375 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. It should be firm in the middle. And once it's done, as you can see, it looks like this. It's beautiful. I cut it into squares and serve it. You can see that all of the ingredients are well represented here, and it's very simple to make, and that's a breakfast casserole.